Hello friends, I am from Biology faculty of QLS Academy. Today we are going to learn about tissues. I am sure you will all enjoy today's learning. Let's start with our lesson of today. In this lesson, we will basically learn about what are muscular tissues and what are nervous tissue. First is the muscular tissue. Muscle tissue is one of the four major types of tissues found in the human body, and all muscle cells function in the same basic way. They contract or get shorter and pull whatever they are attached to closer together. Muscles only do work when they contract. They do not actively push things further apart when they stretch back out. Under the microscope, muscle cells look like long tubes with stripes. जैसे zebra पे dark and light stripes होते हैं, वैसे ही muscle cells में stripes होते हैं and they are called as striated. The stripes are caused by bundle of light and dark units called as filaments. These filaments help the muscles to get shortened or contract. Now muscle cells are said to relax when they stretch back out because it is a passive action. मतलब जब cells वापस अपनी position में जाएंगे तो उन्हें energy की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. In contrast, contraction requires energy, results in force being exerted by the cells. जब cells contract होते हैं तब उन्हें energy की requirement होती है. Some muscles in our body are under our conscious control and allows us to control our movement, जैसे कि हमारा hand movement, हमारा leg movement, जिनको हम खुद control कर सकते हैं. So these muscles are said to be voluntary muscles or muscles that can be controlled consciously by an animal. In contrast, the body also contains muscles that is not under our conscious control. मतलब वो muscles जिनको हम खुद control नहीं कर सकते. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल हमारा हमारे हार्ट में जो मसल्स हैं उनको हम कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते. दीज टाइप ऑफ मसल्स आर एक्चुअली कॉल्ड एज इनवॉलेंट्री मसल्स. देयर आर बेसिकली थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ मसल्स. नंबर 1 कार्डियक मसल्स, नंबर 2 स्मूथ मसल्स एंड नंबर 3 इज द स्केलेटल मसल. कार्डियक मसल सेल्स आर इनवॉलेंट्री मसल सेल्स दैट मेक अप द हार्ट. हम अपने हार्ट बीट को कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते. कार्डियक मसल्स is only found in the heart, and a key difference between a cardiac muscles and other muscle type is that cardiac muscle cells pass electrical signals to each other. In this way, when one cardiac muscle cells get a signal to contract, it passes that signal along to all its neighbor. Just like हमें किसी ने कोई मैसेज दिया, हमने वही मैसेज अपने पास वाले को दिया, and this goes on and on. Similarly, the electrical signal is quickly passed to all the muscle cells of the heart chamber and they contract in unison. Second is the smooth muscle cells. Smooth muscle cells are involuntary muscle cells that are found throughout the body except for the heart. Smooth muscle cells पूरी body में present होते हैं except heart जिसमें cardiac muscles present होते हैं. Unlike cardiac and skeletal muscles, smooth muscle cells does not have a visible stripe or striation when viewed under the microscope. This is actually the reason why they are called as smooth muscles. Smooth muscle cells is found in many places throughout the body like blood vessel wall, stomach, the small intestine, the large intestine and the bladder. Third and last is the skeletal muscle cells. These are voluntary striated muscle cells that control body movements. मतलब कि इस टाइप के मसल सेल्स को हम कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं और इनमें स्ट्राइप्स भी होते हैं. These are the muscles that people are generally most familiar with because many of them are visible and we actively control them all the time in our everyday life. An interesting feature of skeletal muscle is that each skeletal muscle cell contains a lot of nuclei. हर एक सेल में एक से ज़्यादा न्यूक्लियस प्रेजेंट होते हैं. Now you must wonder why this is so. This is because each mature skeletal muscle cell is actually formed from a lot of immature muscle cells that fuse together to form a one large muscle cells. बहुत सारे immature छोटे muscle cells आपस में fuse होते हैं फिर वो एक large muscle cells बनाते हैं. Now the second type of tissue is the nervous tissue. It is hard to imagine a moment during our waking hours when our senses are not in use. पूरे 24 आवर्स में हमारे सेंस ऑर्गन्स काम करते हैं. इनफैक्ट जब अगर हम सो भी रहे होंगे, अगर कोई हमें एक पिन भी चुपाएगा तो हम जाग जाते हैं. Some sensory experiences are positive, वो positive होते हैं, and some we rather forget. But none of our senses would even function without the existence of our nervous system. हमारे nervous system के बिना sense organs काम कभी नहीं कर सकते. There are several main components of nervous system. They are composed of nervous tissues. Our nervous system is composed of nervous tissue. Nervous tissues make up a three major parts of nervous system. They are nerve, spinal cord and brain. Our nervous system consists of two parts, that is the peripheral nervous system and central nervous system. The peripheral nervous system consists of nerves that extend to all the reaches of the body, the periphery. Peripheral nervous system पूरी body में present होते हैं, while central nervous system is made up of brain and spinal cord and is the central processing center for all these stimuli. Peripheral nervous system consists of nerves made up of nerve cells called as neurons. Nerves extend all over the body from tip of the fingers to internal organs. They form long, tiny connectivity like a chain of paper clips linked together. Nerves connect to the spinal cord, which in turn is connected to the brain. Suppose हमारे पैर में कांटा गड़ा, the pain is a stimulus. जो pain होगा वो हमारा external stimulus होगा. And when you feel a stimulus in your toe, for example, the sensory impulse must travel from the nerve all the way back to the brain and back in order for you to process that feeling of the pain. The spinal cord and brain are all made up of nerves. Our nervous tissues allow us to experience stimuli and then make a response. For example, imagine a scenario in which you are attempting to hammer a nail into the wall. After 2 tries, you accidentally hammered your own finger. Now let's freeze that moment. At the actual split second that contact is made, there is no pain. At least not yet. But wait a millisecond and the throbbing pain begins. Now why did it take time before you felt the pain? Now let's zoom in on the nerve cells themselves to better understand the entire process. Neurons are extremely unique type of cells specialized just for work within the nervous system. They consist of a cell body and then appendages that reach out from the central body. If you took a spoonful of paint and threw it on the floor, you might end up getting a shape of a structure similar to neuron. The extension or appendages coming from the receiving end of the cell body are actually dendrites. Dendrites have many different branches, like dozens of little fingers grasping for incoming information. These can be very long, up to a meter in humans. On the transmitting side of the cell body, we find a long extension called as axon. Like the barrel of a gun, the axon fires the impulse to the next neuron. So students, to conclude this lesson today, we learned about what are actually muscle tissues and nervous tissues, their structure and their function in our body. Hope you all enjoyed today's learning. For any further information or you have any doubt, kindly go to the following link.